All right, this is 4th of July. Chuck's lighting one of our bombs. I have my friend Gary with us. Chuck's carrying a bomb. Yeah, right there is good. You can feel the effect. Chuck's getting ready to light it off in the grass over there. Hope you don't forget to run, or you don't fall while you run. Look at that.
Oh, I missed it. I went up. Sorry.
How you like that?
I went up for some reason. I thought I was going to go up. He's got it, though. As long as Sean's got
Yeah.
it.
Someone got it, see? See, you saw the smoke trail from it.
No, that was a good one.